Can I trade on TradingView? Usually this is a question every person asks. Can I trade on TradingView? Is it possible for someone to trade on TradingView? Well, in the video today, we're going to answer this question. My name is Sewankambo Isma. I do welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Well, in today's video, we're going to look at particularly how to trade on TradingView. Then we shall see how you can connect a particular brokers from certain regions of the world. After that, we will see how you can buy, how you can sell, how you can put a stop loss, how you can calculate the lot size in the very video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you haven't liked and probably clicked on the bell for this particular channel, please do. And then you can as well do share. Let's start. Lately, you can trade on TradingView, but before you would not trade on TradingView. It is just a trading platform, just like other trading platforms, just like the way you see CTrader, just like the way you see MT4, just like the way you see MT5, and so on and forth. But then the only difference with this is that it's web-based, meaning that you trade. It's actually you're trading on the browser, and you actually access it on the browser, though you can also download and have an installed platform of it. However, this is something that isn't common, but the most common thing is actually trading, rather using TradingView, mainly on the browser or on the World Wide. For instance, you can use this on Chrome, you can use it on any other browser or search engine. However, in today's video, we're going to see how you can trade with it and probably connect a broker, buy, sell, put a stop loss, lot size, and all that, and then also see trading terminal of this. Let's immediately get started and see how you can do this. Yes, it's possible you can trade on it, though apparently in Uganda, due to the brokerages that are particularly partnered with TradingView, for Ugandans, we don't have yet those. However, if you're in any country and the list of the brokers that you're going to see are part or rather operate in your country, then you can use TradingView. So let's get started without any hesitation and without any wastage of time and see how we can do this. First and foremost, as we reach onto the platform, this is TradingView, and you need to have an account. Some people do say that TradingView is for paying, others say it's not. Well, the point is you don't need to pay for TradingView. That is if you're to use less than 3 indicators, 3 tools, okay? But then if you're to use more than 3 tools, like for instance, if you're to use more than 3 indicators, then you will have to pay for TradingView. However, it is free of charge and every person can use it. That is if they, abide to the principles, to the conditions that were in place for someone to use it for freely. Then, as you can see, this is our TradingView. This is the platform. Just like any other platform, it is simple and easy to use. So you need to have an account with TradingView, and if you don't, there is a link below in the details of this video. Please make sure you register with the link and be in position to create an account, because for you to do whatsoever we're going to do in this video, you'll have to have at least an account with TradingView. So after creating a trading account with TradingView, it's very easy. Just use your email. Then after creating your account with TradingView, go in that option of chat. That's after going to Google. After reaching Google, you get to type in TradingView. When you reach TradingView, there is that option of chat. Click on that option of chat. After reaching there, then when you click on chat, you now reach at this point. So on the TradingView, we have a watch list here. A watch list is actually a place where we can see all the instruments that we are going to trade with on our platform. So those of our favorite, those in our main concern that literally we are trading, because TradingView is composed of so many, and then so many asset classes, and then if you really think there are those specific ones that you need to use or to trade with, you'll have to add them on the watch list. So here is the watch list, just like the way you see the word watch list, and below are the instruments. Due to the fact that I do mainly trade currencies, that's why you can see only currency pairs under this section. So if you need to add any, you can just really click on add. When you click on add, basically you can see you can select from all. You can say stocks, you can features, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, commodity, rather economy. So you can, whenever you need any, you just need to click on plus and add onto your watch list. So when you add it to your watch list, it certainly comes here, and then if you scroll down, you probably be in position to see whatsoever that you added on your watch list. That's not our main concern. Our main concern here is how can I trade on TradingView? Well, apparently the pair that you see on TradingView here is Australian dollar, US dollar. Some people call it Aussie dollar, others call it Aussie dollar, USD, whatever. So this is the pair, and on this pair we're literally going to buy, of course, after looking at the different key levels that we have in the forex market. So this is a key level, this is a key level, this is a key level. According to our key level and according to this particular strategy, we actually expect this Australian dollar USD to go to gain in value. So therefore we're going to position ourselves for a buy probably on this particular instrument, which is euro, rather USD, rather Australian dollar, US dollar. So this is how we're going to do it. It's a matter of you probably making sure that at least you come here, your point of entry. So this is how you buy. So we're going to you need to first know where you're going to buy, where you're going to sell, whatever you're going to do. So after reaching there, you'll have to actually come and use this tool. This tool is called the prediction and measurement tool, just like the way you see it. Okay, click on it just for prediction and measurements. Then when you click on it, it brings the different, there is always this arrow here that you see that puts it back and brings it. So when you click on it, it will display the entire features that you can use under this section. So if you're going in for a buy, then you'll have to click on long position, sell, short position, and all that, forecast, debt range, and all that. But our main interest is a long, because we are going in for a buy. So when you click on the buy, you come at the point where you want to buy from, where you want your entry to be, and probably what you're doing is you're doing predictions where you would probably want your particular entries to be, that is the stop loss, entry, and take profit. So the green part here defines the profit side, and the red side, the red defines the stop loss side, so, or the risk side. So you can always adjust. As due to this particular strategy, our main aim is to probably make sure that when we go in for a trade after markets crossing a certain level of probably support, like for instance, this was a previous resistance that broken, and now apparently it's becoming a resistance. It was a resistance, now apparently it's broken, which then becomes to be a support level. So since the resistance was broken and apparently it's working as a support level, so we think of actually probably buying at this particular point, putting our stop loss slightly below this particular key level, which is for this case a support now. And then as we actually make sure that we go in for this position, we literally then make sure that at least we do not exceed the next key level, or we shouldn't interfere in the next key level. So for this case, we put our take profit slightly below the key level because of the problem or the reaction, the rejection that it may surface when it actually approximates to the next key level, which is this. So I know now that I'm going to enter here for a buy. I'm going to enter here with the stop loss and the take profit. So after reaching on here, what you certainly have to do is to make sure that you right hand click. When you right hand click, when you right hand click, come to this option where there is create limit order. Click there. When you click there, definitely it's going to display something of this nature. That is if you have a demo account with TradingView. But then if you do not, then it's going to display something different. Let's see what happens if you do not have an account with TradingView. So if you do not have an account, this is what literally happens. When you right hand click, you go to create order. So this is what is going to happen. It will display something of this nature. Okay, it will now literally tell you to this is the point where we need to connect our broker. That is, if you're in the region where these brokers are, so you can literally then you can literally connect with the broker. But then if you don't, still you can use TradingView for analysis, and you certainly just go to your MT4, MT5 and execute these orders. Okay, so when it comes to connecting a broker, we certainly need to come and scroll down. Okay, usually there is an arrow here, something here that you need to link, and see these are most of the brokers that are probably have a partnership with TradingView. So if there is any that you're probably in your country, then you can probably use it to link to TradingView. But then if you don't, you just need to come on paper trading. When it comes to paper trading, just click on connect. When you click on connect, it brings this option where you need to connect still. When you connect, it means that definitely it will create you a demo account, which in this case they call a paper account. A paper account is just a demo account that you're going to use to trade and probably start trading. So if you have an account with the broker, you can probably choose him like we saw, and then certainly connect and start trading with TradingView. So, but then if you do not, you can just create a demo account. After creating this demo account, get all the requirements, that is the entry point, stop loss, take profit, and the lot size. Just go to the MT4 and execute these orders, because now TradingView makes each and everything easier for you when you are trading. So of course, when you look at me, I already have a demo account, a paper account, and certainly if you can look, I have probably trades that are already running. You can see they're already running. This is the equity, this is my account balance, and the open profits. So this is probably the demo account, the paper account created, because now when it comes to TradingView, when you create a paper account, by default they give you they dictate and give you probably, is it 10,000 or 100,000. So if you don't want this, you can certainly just come here where there is paper account slightly above here, click on reset. When you click on reset, they'll bring the amount. You need to put in the amount that you want to be on your demo account, and then it will change to the account balance as to that you've put as your account, amount of money that you want to use when you are trading. Then you can click on this to go back. Then of course, after creating an account, or connecting your paper account, then it means that now you can execute an order. So let me make this a bit huge by removing the watch list, such that we can probably have a clear view of the chart. So when I come here, then after of course getting the paper account, then I can execute an order. So then I come back to create again, but then this time around I can create, you see, it there and then displays such a thing. So when it displays this, we have market, limit, stop. So if we are entering at market like we're going to do, then you need to come to the option of market. If you're putting a limit order, then you need to certainly select a limit. If you're putting, that is sell limit, buy limit. If you're putting a stop order, that is a buy stop, sell stop, then you need to select buy stop. You know, these are pending orders. If you really missed and probably missed a video for pending orders, just check up. You'll be in position to get it and watch it probably maybe before you finish this video. So since we are actually going at market, we are buying at market price. That means that we are buying at market price like we said on our particular order. So now we have three options here. We have the units. Those are the units that you're exchanging. That is, if it is one lot size, that's 100,000 units. If it is probably 0.1, that's 10,000 units. That is, if it is 0.01 lot size, then that's 1,000 units. We know that for those of you that have been probably following our videos. Then the next section here is the risk, the amount of money that you want to risk per trade, okay, which is literally has to be between 1 to 3%, or you can just put the money that you want to risk on this trade, but should at least be within that range. Let me just put here $100 that I want to risk on this trade. If I put in $100, you've probably seen the units have changed. So I'm probably in position, I'll be exchanging 23,148 units, the ones that I'll be exchanging. And when it comes to the risk here, it is 8.3% of my capital, okay? So mind you, when you're trading, any amount that you put here, they all change, okay? You can just certainly put in the amount, or that is the dollar risk, or you can put in the percentage risk. Any of those three actually. You either put the units, if you know the units that you want to exchange, that is the lot size, which is a bit hard, and I don't recommend that. Then you can also put in the amount that you want to risk on the particular trade in dollars, or you can be like, man, me, I want to risk 3%. So let's say if I want to say risk 3% on this trade, I can just I just need to come here and say 3. If it is 3, that is about $36.2 say, and this changes, okay? But then I want to risk $100 for this particular account. Then when I reach when I'm done with this, I need to confirm, okay? You know, I've put my take profit, and rather put my stop loss, the amount I want to risk. So I need to know how much is my reward going to be, okay? And I also need to certainly confirm that, you know, whatever I put is there and it's right. So that's why I need to start with the stop loss column, rather, yes, column. Like we have the pips that I'll be risking, that is from here to here, they're going to be about 46.4 pips. 46.4 pips, and then 46.4 pips, okay, that is plus the spread, though here it shows 45.6. So the one is the spread. We know what a spread is for those that have probably been trading with us. Then the price at which I'll put my stop loss, you just need to confirm here. Yes, it is 0.68543. You make sure it is the same, it's on point. Then after that, you need to check on the amount. Did the amount what you risk there, is it the same? Sometimes it keeps changing due to the, you know, the markets are moving, and probably there is some slight differences in changes, okay? Differences that are brought up by the changes, because the markets are dynamic. They keep varying all the time. And then the percentage that you're risking, you need to confirm literally everything before you do this, before you can actually, you know, execute the order and all that. So the same happens with the take profit. So if you need to confirm literally everything, 100 pips, then I'll be aiming for 229 pips, rather dollars, and all that. So after confirming all that, and you've made sure that you're on market, if you're not on market, make sure that you're in the pending order. That is either a limit or a stop order. After you're done with that, then just come here and click buy. Like for this case, when you click buy, our order is automatically going to enter, and we're in position to see that. So first we'll see notifications that will be here, that will probably come, and we'll also be in position to see our order running here, okay? So like apparently this order has entered. If I probably just remove this, you see it has entered at market price. Our stop loss is this, and our take profit is that. So that's how we trade on TradingView. So for those that really have been asking whether it is possible for someone to trade on TradingView, yes, it is possible, and you can trade on TradingView. So just like as we have probably seen. So just like the way you've seen, we can trade on TradingView. And again, we have learned on how you can put a stop loss, how you can put a take profit, and how you can do your entry on TradingView. So it's as easy as that. TradingView is easier, and flexible for you to trade. Now, when it comes to if you're to come back to the side of probably mostly with the Ugandans, if you are using a TradingView and probably we don't have brokers that are linked onto TradingView, we can just certainly after knowing our entries, putting in the risk, like for instance, we put in the risk and all that, then you usually have units here like 22.222. Usually these are the units. You know your entry is going to be at, your entry was at this point, that is 0.68543, that is your stop loss rather. Then your entry was at 0.68995, and then your take profit was at 0.70063. So these are the entry orders that you know. So if I know that I'm buying Euro USD, rather Australian dollar USD, I know my stop loss, I know my take profit, then I know my entry point. The next question is now going to be, which lot size am I going to use? So when it comes to the lot size, it's very easy. Just get the units that are here. Like for instance, we have 22,222 units. So just get the amount that is here divided by 100,000 units. 100,000 units. When you divide this by 100,000 units, let's see what you get as your answer. Yes, if I get to my calculator and I say 2222, that's 22,222 units. When I divide them by 100,000 units, probably I'll be getting a lot size of 0.22. So just go to your MT4, put in 0.022 on Australian dollar, US dollar, enter your trade with the stop loss, take profit, and all that, and the entry point. So it's as simple as that. And this time round, you just don't need to have a pip calculator and all that. So it's as simple as that and easier to trade. So hope you've really learned this, and probably now I believe I have answered the questions. That is, can I trade on TradingView? Yes, we have seen it's possible. Can I put a stop loss, take profit? Can I enter, that is at market or at pending? We have seen. Can either enter at market or with pending orders, that is the limit and the stop orders. And then we have also seen how you can get the lot size to trade with, that is from TradingView, and then put it on the MT4. So hope you really learned from here. If you find this video helpful, please share, and if you haven't clicked onto the bell after the subscription, please click on it such that at least you're notified whenever we release a video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to comment. Thank you so much. I do sign out. Bye bye.